Oh, hi friends! It's me, Kelsey, at the DoSeum, and welcome back to another DoSeum Do It At Home. Happy spring! I'm just out here tending our new pollinator garden, and I thought to myself, I would really like to have some flowers at home in my apartment. So I figured we might make a popsicle stick flower pot today. Do you want to see how to do it? Let's go, come on, I'll show you. All right guys, for this flower pot activity with the popsicle sticks, first of all, you're gonna need popsicle sticks. I have colorful ones, but if all you have at home are plain ones, you can definitely color them in, and I think that makes it more fun anyways. You're also going to need a tin can. I had this tin can left over from some food I ate earlier, and I drilled some holes in the bottom with my grown-up. Make sure that you get your grown-up to help you drill holes in the bottom of your can too, so that way if there's any extra water inside of your flower pot, it can drain out of the bottom. I also have a rubber band. I actually have 3 rubber bands just in case one of them breaks. And my seeds I'm gonna be using, these are marigold seeds. I also have a pair of scissors, some ribbon, this is a special ribbon called bunting, and some stickers. And last but not least, in order to plant my seeds, I'm going to need some soil. Once you have all of your materials together, then you're ready to get started. For this first step, you'll need your rubber band, your popsicle sticks, and your can. So what you're gonna do is take your rubber band and put it around your tin can, just like this. And then you're going to take your popsicle sticks and put them around your tin can. So take our first one, stick it right in there just like that. And I think I'm gonna go in rainbow order. Red, orange. Do you know what color comes next? Did you say yellow? Because that's the next color. And you're just gonna wanna go into and kind of make sure that they're standing really close together like that. And you're just gonna go all the way around until your entire can is covered in popsicle sticks. And done. All right, what do you guys think? All right, for the next step, we're going to need, I think I'm gonna decorate before I put my seeds and stuff in, because if I wanna decorate correctly, I'm gonna knock it over and then all of the stuff is gonna come out. So let's grab my stickers. I have lots of different kinds. These ones are all sorts of bugs. And I have some butterflies, and these butterflies, they glow in the dark. And then I have some fruits. I'm also going to go ahead and cut my special ribbon out now, so that way I can tie it onto my flower pot. Let's see. Doop. And because my ribbon is really thick, I'm gonna fold it. So now I'm gonna tie this around here. Trying to show you guys the pretty bow I'm gonna make. All right, what do you guys think? I think it looks great. Now I'm gonna put some stickers on it. I like these little bugs here. I'll put some on there. Let's see, some ants. I don't like ants in my house, but if they're on a sticker, they can come inside. Let's see this little guy here on the bottom. And I want to put one of these butterflies on. I think I'm gonna pick this one because it matches my shirt. Purple shirt, purple butterfly. Where should I put her? Right there. Great. All right, for our last step, we're going to need our soil, our seeds, and I'm going to use a paper towel on the bottom here because when I thought about it, all of these holes in the bottom, I might get some soil on my table. So in order to protect it, I'm just gonna put a little paper towel down right there. All right, let's start filling it up. my soil inside. All right, time to put our seeds in. And I hope you saved a little bit of your soil because we'll need to cover our seeds once we're done with them. Drop some of those guys in there. You want to try to spread them out just a little bit inside of the container. But once you got them all in there, you're ready to cover. And now that we're all done adding our seeds and our soil to our popsicle flower pot, we're ready to water it for the first time. You don't need to use a fancy watering can like I have. Whenever I water my lima bean plant back there, I just use a cup of water. And now that we've got our water in there, this is why we needed the hole in the bottom. You don't want to overwater your plants, so it's good for the can to have a place to drop off all the extra water at. Let's go put it somewhere sunny. I think this will be a great spot for my marigold plant in my classroom. I always get lots of sun through this window. Thanks for joining me for another DIY video here at the DoSeum. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!